Hello everyone, in this quick video we will see how we can redirect an affiliate URL using pretty links. So obviously first you will have to install the pretty links. If you haven't installed yet and you don't know how to install, I have another video where I showed how to install pretty link plugin on your WordPress dashboard. Check out the link for that, and also let's move on to the process. First, log in to your dashboard. And I'm already logged in. Usually will have it will show you a login option like this, and then you log in. I've already installed. You can see here. Go pretty links and then add new. Okay, so add a title here. So I'm going to redirect an URL for a product called 30-day summit. Okay, redirect type, I want to do permanent target URL. So this is the URL where I want to put this is the affiliate link URL. Then I have it here. I'm going to copy the affiliate link, paste it here, and then pretty link, the link that you want to give. So I want to give this link 30 days. Real quick, I want to show you why I'm giving this particular link. So on my channel, there is another video where I talked about, if I look at the recent video, I talked about how to cancel friend request. But in this one, I added a product called 30 day free virtual summit, and at the end of it I added a card. You see here it shows 30-day free trial link, so I gave the link 30-day free trial. If I click here, it will redirect me to 30-day summit. So right now there is no content here. I want to give this notes. So you can note is basically for you to remember where you are using link or anything. So I just want to give this title so I know that I use this link on this video. Now I click on update. So also you see like this link isn't working at the moment, so this page doesn't seem exist, and I'm going to click update, and it's published. You see this link. Now let's go to the video and then try again by clicking here where it takes. You see it takes to the affiliate link. It's amazing. Alright, so I hope you know how to do that. And also on the pro version, I think there are many other advanced features. So I added pretty links website link on the description below. You can take a look. I hope this is helpful. Please subscribe to this channel for more similar videos. Thanks.